Ni arutwo a thukuru wa muthingi wa RUT uria uri gicigo-ini mbunge kia Gilgil kaunti-ini ya Nakuru magitabania mihango ya guthura atongoria aria mekumatongoria kwa ihinda ria mwaka umwe thukuru-ini uyu. Oho arutwo magikuruhanio hari utari wa kura iria maikirie hindi ya ithurano ici makioneka gukorwo na murutwo uria mangienda amatongorie.
The purpose of this election is to show the learners how democratic election should be done. We have conducted this election according to the rules and regulations governed by the IEBC. Right away from the voter education, we taught our learners, so the candidate on how to the election process.
Philip Shikanda na uria ukurugamirire githurano giki akiuga ino ni njira imwe ya kuhaririria arutwo kimeciria uria magatabania ithurano cia gibũrũri.
They should know that that's their democratic space, their democratic process, and once is followed to the late, then they'll be electing leaders who they wish that they can represent them in various posts.
Lawrence Ogoro munini wa Prince wa thukuru uyu wa RUT akiuga ithurano ici ni imwe ya njira ya kunina mianya iria ikoretwo ho gatagati ka arimu na arutwo.
We want to bring everybody on board, and that's why we involve teachers as the returning officers, teachers as the clerks, because there's a gap between the elder and the young. So for our teachers, when they come together, there's education taking on.
Arutwo aria mahotanite itura cia president na munini wa president makiuga ni meguteithania na arutwo na arimu hari kugacirithia mitugo na mathomo thukuru-ini uyu.
For them, I want them to be maintaining silent and to respect the matrons in the dome, and outside to also respect the teachers.
I became the deputy president of this school, who I'm going to thank the school and those who voted for me, and also thank everyone who is here.
Ngiribotera ceceni ya Kameme TV kuma gicigo mbunge kia Gilgil kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, gitagwo Wanjeri wa Kariuki.